You guys, I'm going to give you guys the first bite. Look at those flakes. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video, you guys. So today, you guys, we are in the kitchen. How is everybody truly doing? Good. So today, you guys, we are in the kitchen, right? And today is Good Friday. Well, it ain't Good Friday, but it's a Good Friday for me. Your girl been having this craving for her some good baked hot and spicy fish, right? So as you guys know, if you checked out the waffle and crack chicken video, I told you the breading was not that hot to me. So I said to myself, okay, we're not gonna waste not and want not over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this breading, this specific breading, and I'm going to test this breading for some baked fish. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm going to test this breading for some baked fish. And we're going to see how this comes out. Now, I know it said chicken, but that's okay, because your girl, she like playing around in the kitchen. She's going to tell you if this breading is worth it. So yes, that's our buffalo breading for our fish that we're using. But it's actually said chicken, but who's judging, okay? It's a lot of things out here we can reincorporate and use on other food items. So we got us some good pieces of catfish right here. Fresh catfish. And yeah, we're going to use this. Now what I'm going to also use is Red Hot Original Seasoning Blend. Yeah, we're going to use this as well. Why? Because your girl said that was not hot enough for her. And I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Yes, and I know y'all saying to yourself, where's your gloves? You guys, I'm sorry. Okay? But I need to get the feel of this. Okay? We need to get the feel of this. Because your girl gonna test this. She's gonna test it. And as you see, I am putting enough seasoning. Because, like I said, I want this fish to be spicy. Real spicy. I'm going to use a little of this. Oh, in case you're wondering, this is Cajun. Cajun. Oh, yeah. Cajun style. Cajun style. Whatever. Okay. And we're going to use just a little herbs on it. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to go on and mix this on up. Get this seasoning right on in here. You're going to get this seasoning right on in here. Because your girl want to test this. So like I said, that right there was something different for me. And I didn't too much. I ain't going to tell no fibs. Let me wash my hands. Okay. So what we're going to do is I have my tray right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're going to bread this. And we're going to put it just like this. Because I want to see what it turns out to be. Is it going to be good? You know, because I do know some people do fry their fish in flour. Now, I ain't going to lie to you. I'm not one of them. So this is definitely a first for me. But we're going to see how this turns out. We got us 4 good pieces. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that give me a view. I really do. This is our last piece. And we're going to stick this in the oven. And we're going to watch it for, I'm going to say about 20 minutes. We just want it to get really golden brown and done, you know. It doesn't take fish long at all to get done. I'm sorry, you guys, but I got to wash my hands. Okay, so we have our fish right here. And we're going to go and slide that on in the oven, and we'll be back. Guys, we have our whiting fish here. I'm just going to season it up. Not going to put anything too much on it because my kids really doesn't like a lot of things on it. You know, as far as spicy. So I'm just going to go on and put these 3 pieces. So we can get these 3 in the oven. Let me get my rag, my dishcloth. And we're going to shake up some of this meal out. Now this is just a spicy and regular meal mixed together. You know, the meal that you can purchase for your fish at typically the fish market. Yeah, that's all this is. And I'm going to stick this in the oven as well. Let me get a little more meal. Okay, so you guys, we're going to slap that in the oven and we're... Guys, check out that deliciousness. Oh my goodness. That fish looks so delicious. It is golden, brown, and everything. Oh my goodness. Check it out. You cannot say that does not look delicious. But your girl gonna go in here and she's gonna try how did this crack seasoning hold up on this fish. So let me see. Any minute, might no, no, okay, just joking. Okay, let's get in here. And we're gonna go with the juiciest part. Look at those flakes. You guys, I'm gonna give you guys the first bite. Look at those flakes. Oh my goodness. Let's test it. Yes. It hold it up well. You guys, you can also try this recipe. I would love for you guys to try this recipe yourself. Don't forget, you have to get the cracked seasoning for chicken. But I guarantee you, if you put it on fish, you can taste the buffalo. Even though I took it up a notch, okay, with the little red hot seasoning. You guys, I took it up a notch. That's it. Using this red hot seasoning. So yeah. You guys, that spice, that afterkick. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. Catfish is just as juicy and tender and flaky. So, with that being said, you guys, I'm getting ready to close this video out. Enjoy the rest of your Friday. This is just something that I just wanted to bring to the channel real fast. You guys, I am sending much love from my house to yours. And if you just viewing me for the first time, don't forget, thumbs it up. Subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment below so your girl can know where to go. Sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.